Samsung's Clearview cover for the Galaxy S21 series comes in black and white colors. It's a nice looking premium feeling case with a textured finish. If you are interested in buying this case, link is available in the description below. Samsung says its outer layer is infused with a zinc-based additive to continually block the growth of bacteria. In other words, it has antimicrobial protection. To wear the case, start by placing the top of the phone, then apply a bit of pressure at the bottom. After wearing, my phone still fits into my pockets easily because the case isn't chunky. Taking off the case is a bit difficult. So, do it over a safe surface. Start from the top and pull off one edge at a time before removing the phone. The smart case has two cutouts at the bottom and right side to expose the necessary ports and buttons. There's also a hole for the microphone at the top. At the back, the case is just thick enough to eliminate the camera bump and provide a little extra clearance to protect the camera glass. Obviously, the main feature of this case is the Clearview display. It's a narrow strip of plastic within which Samsung has squeezed a few touch controls. The Smart View is certainly not there to replace your smartphone screen. Think of it more like a heads-up display. Opening the flap would wake the screen. And if you close it while the screen is still on, then the Smart View displays the time, date, battery percentage, and up to 4 notifications. You can't read them without opening the case. When playing music with the flap closed, an extra column gets created and 2 dots appear at the bottom. So, you can then swipe across to navigate between notifications and music. The music column displays the artist's name and soundtrack at the top. You get 3 music controls at the bottom. You can answer or reject calls without opening the case. Raise to wake works just fine, but the always-on display is only available while charging. When the smart display turns off, you can wake it by raising the phone from the desk or pressing the power button. It always reverts to the notifications page when turned on. The smart case connects to your phone by NFC. You can still use wireless charging. However, Samsung doesn't recommend using reverse wireless charging when using the case. Using the phone's camera with the smart case can be quite tricky because of how the flap keeps dangling. Aiming and typing with the smart case can feel a little uncomfortable. It is clearly not suitable for people who constantly use their phones because of all the opening and closing involved. At first glance, the smart cover seems to offer total protection. But there's a catch. The flap doesn't have any locking mechanism to keep it closed. In conclusion, the Smart View flip cover is a slim, good-looking case suitable for home and office use. It offers a decent amount of protection all around without limiting access to ports and buttons. Its smart display is convenient for checking notifications at a glance. However, the flap may not be suitable for use in a sandy environment or for people who constantly have to interact with their phones.